Hello and welcome to Prudent Media News. Now a look at the headlines. Anna Hazare calls off his 3-day fast on day 2. Jail Baro Andolan called off, warns campaign in 5 poll-bound states against the anti-Jan Lokpal politicians. Strong attempts to breach MGP-BJP pre-poll alliance. MGP rejects Congress proposal. Mickey likely to leave NCP and join Goa Vikas Party. Congress candidature for 9 aspirants confirmed. GPCC to hold meeting on 30th. Names to be screened by committee headed by Oscar Fernandez. Educationists and alert educated villagers support proposed educational project of NIT. Form Loliya Shikshan Vikas Parishad to take ahead the project. Churchill Brothers Hammer Sporting Club de Goa. Dempo Sports Club trounced HAL in Bangalore to maintain top position. Now the news in detail. Anti-corruption crusader Anna Hazare called off his fast on Wednesday evening. Doctors had advised him to do so as his health was deteriorating. Anna has announced his campaign in 5 poll-bound states against the anti-Jan Lokpal politicians. Team Anna says they will target politicians who opposed a strong Lokpal and backstabbed IAC activists. Anna has also warned that he would tour the country during scheduled Lok Sabha poll in 2014.
और अन्ना जी कांसन
भारत माता की जय वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम।
अब ये 5 राज्यों में हम जाएंगे। 5 राज्यों के बाद जगाते रहेंगे लोगों को। अभी 2 साल बाकी है। 2 साल 2 साल तक बीच बीच में देश में घूमते रहेंगे और नेशनल इलेक्शन आएगा उस टाइम पूरे देश में जाएंगे, पूरे देश में लोगों को जगाएंगे। 30/1/2 को रामलीला मैदान में बैठूंगा, लेकिन आज जो दिखाई दे रहा सब चित्र वो विदारक है। संसद का चित्र बड़ा विदारक दिखाई दे रहा है। तो आगे के लिए हम यह तय करते हैं कि आज हमारा अनशन आज खत्म करेंगे। आज जेल भरो का जो बात थी वो थोड़ा सा अभी ठीक नहीं होगा, इसलिए
Concerns over Anna Hazare's health mounted on Wednesday afternoon, with doctors advising him to end his fast as its continuance could damage his kidneys and other vital organs.
His sodium is low, his chlorides are low, and in view of low standing blood pressure, evidences of dehydration, we strongly advise to discontinue fasting. We are worried that this may lead to kidney failure.
India Against Corruption Goa unit continued supporting nationwide fast for a strong Lokpal bill and Anna's fight. Bicholkars also supported Anna's agitation. They observe a token hunger strike. Bharat Swabhiman, Patrakar Sangh, rickshaw operators and others supported the protests. India Against Corruption Madgaon unit too held a hunger strike on Tuesday supporting Anna's movement against corruption. Later in the evening, they held a rally in the commercial capital. Congress has now issued notices to the MPs for their absence in the House during voting. Bill will be placed before the Rajya Sabha on Thursday. However, there is now a question mark over the passing, as the UPA has less than 100 members in the 245-member House. Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
Strong attempts are on to breach the BJP-MGP pre-poll alliance. MGP has rejected proposal from Congress for a pre-poll alliance. Central Committee of MGP met on Wednesday in capital city to discuss the proposals. Meanwhile, Badauli MLA Miki Pacheco has said that he is likely to leave the NCP in next couple of days and join the Goa Vikas Party.
MGP had its Central Committee meeting on Wednesday evening. Meeting deliberated on pre-poll alliance proposals, whether MGP should go for pre-poll alliance or seat sharing, and if so, then with which political party. Presently, MGP has three options for pre-poll alliance: Congress, BJP or with regional political parties. The talk seems inclined towards BJP.
समितीत डिस्कस करता त्यांच्याकडे न्ही अधिकृत येऊ नका.
Sources from political circle inform that there is an alliance proposal of 34 seats for BJP and 6 seats for MGP. MGP has received 23 applications from 20 constituencies. MGP has made it clear that there will be no pre-poll alliance with the Congress.
काँग्रेसीक आमी युती करचे ना अशें स्पश्ट कळयल्लें आसा न्ही. निवडणुकी नंतर कितें तें आमी ठरयतले.
NCP MLA from Banauli Miki Pacheco has decided to leave the party within next couple of days. Miki has declared his plans to join Goa Vikas Party. Miki says that his wife is heading the Goa Vikas Party. Miki spoke to the senior electoral officers at Altino on Wednesday.
गोवा विकास म्हणजे बाय प्रेसिडेंट आहा हांव वचूं शकता आमी फॅमिली भायर रावूंक शकता पोजिशन काय ना आतां म्हाका पळय आतां म्हजी हांव एक पक्षान आहा म्हजी बायल एक पक्षान आहा सद्या सो केन्ना तूं जॉयन जाता तो पक्ष हांव नको सी आय हॅव टू डिसायड आय मे इन 2 days time I might resign. I'm all set, okay, to come and give a good governance to the state of Goa.
Our senior reporter from Panji, Rakesh Kanolkar, with video journalists Sushant Pal and Devendra Gaonkar.
Tickets to 9 Congress aspirants for assembly poll are confirmed, even though Central Election Committee of Congress will announce the candidature in mid of January. In 9 constituencies, there is a single applicant for a Congress ticket. Pradesh Election Committee will hold meeting on 30th to send names of aspirants to the screening committee headed by Oscar Fernandez.
Tuesday was the last day of filing application for Congress ticket. However, tickets are confirmed to Ravi Naik in Ponda, Agnel Fernandez in Kalangut, Francis Silveira in Santandre, Pandurang Madgaikar in Kumarzuwe, Pratap Singh Rane in Porye, Subhash Shirorkar in Shiroda, Movin Gudino in Daburi, Alex Sikher in Nuwe and Philip Neri Rodriguez in Vei. These all 9 Congress aspirants are the only applicant to submit their application from their respective constituencies. Except Subhash Shirodkar, all rest 8 aspirants are ruling MLAs. Movin Gudino has shifted his candidature from Kortali to Daboli constituency. Alex Sikher will contest from newly formed Nuwe constituency. In some constituencies, as many as 14, 11, 10 applications have been received. On 30th December, Pradesh Election Committee will hold a crucial meeting and will shortlist 3 names of aspirants. Subhash Shirodkar heads the Pradesh Election Committee. Sudhakar Reddy is expected to come to Goa and attend the election committee meeting. After shortlisting names, PEC will send the names to screening committee of Congress. First list of Congress candidates is expected by 15th of January. Our senior reporter from Panji, Rakesh Kanolkar.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.